Analyzing support trends with built-in reporting is one of the most powerful ways to understand your team's performance and your customers' needs. Today, I'll walk you through how to do this efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, head to your reporting dashboard. In most software, you'll find a built-in report section where all your support-related data is gathered. This is your starting point. Right away, you'll see trends such as the number of tickets over time, the average resolution time, and customer satisfaction ratings. The key here is to focus on the time frame you're analyzing. You can usually adjust this to view data from the past week, month, or even year. This allows you to identify any seasonal patterns, peak times, or consistent issues that may be affecting your team or your customers. If you notice a spike in ticket volume, that's a red flag, signaling either a product issue or a service breakdown. Next, look at the types of support requests. Built-in reporting tools will break down tickets by category, such as billing issues, technical problems, or account inquiries. Understanding which categories are most common can help you pinpoint areas where customers are struggling the most. It also gives you actionable insights. If one category is dominating, you might want to invest more resources in that area or tweak your product to eliminate recurring problems. Now let's talk about resolution times. Efficient resolution is crucial for customer satisfaction, so you'll want to track how long it's taking your team to close tickets. If you see a pattern of delayed responses, this could signal the need for more staff, better workflows, or more efficient automation. It's not just about the numbers, look at the outliers too. Long resolution times for specific issues might point to training gaps or unclear documentation. Another key part of analyzing support trends is customer feedback. After a support interaction, many systems will prompt customers to rate their experience. This feedback is vital for understanding how well your team is performing. Look at the ratings over time and identify trends. If you notice a dip in satisfaction, dig deeper to see what might have caused it. Was it a specific team member, a particular issue, or maybe a lack of follow-up? To really leverage your built-in reporting, keep an eye on your support team's workload. Over time, this data will tell you if there's a consistent strain on resources. If certain agents are consistently overloaded, you may need to consider workload balancing or hiring additional support staff. Finally, don't forget about the bigger picture. Combine support trends with customer data like user retention and churn rates. If customers are frequently submitting tickets after a purchase, it could indicate a product onboarding issue. If issues are trending toward a specific feature, it might signal a need for product updates or enhancements. Remember, analyzing support trends with built-in reporting isn't just about seeing what's happening right now. It's about anticipating future problems and proactively improving your support operations. The goal is to spot trends early and take action before small issues grow into larger ones. To wrap things up, here's your key takeaway. Analyzing support trends with built-in reporting helps you understand your customers' pain points, optimize your support team's performance, and ultimately improve the overall customer experience. Keep tracking those trends and always use the data to improve. Quick revision. Start by accessing your reporting dashboard, analyze ticket volume and types of support requests, focus on resolution times, monitor customer feedback, and track your team's workload. And always combine your support data with customer metrics to get the full picture. Lastly, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. You can follow along and start analyzing your support trends today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.